What's going on, everyone? My name is Ice, and welcome back to FSX. First thing you're going to notice is the fire. Yeah, the game glitched and thought I fucking crashed when I really didn't. I know I'm on the ground here, like in the middle of nowhere, but the reason, first thing I want to say is unfortunately I'm not going to finish up the FSX flight story series thing. Takes too damn long, guys. I'm sorry. I'm too tired. But this is actually going to be a tutorial on how to fix this weird FS recorder glitch that makes your recorded aircraft jerk back and forth like this. I'll show you what I mean. Right, yeah, play. Oops, hold on. I think I need to actually add file, right. Don't tell me I have to do this all over again. Ah, balls. Okay. So unfortunately I have to set the aircraft real quick. Because I changed the title names. Okay, so I'm gonna go 3, set user aircraft, play. Read the data window. I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. Oh, Jesus. Sorry, guys. I hit my eyes. Okay. See here, I know the graphics is nothing right now. It's because I just fucking did that, but you're going to see the jets are glitching back and forth. See how they're jerking back and forth? The lead's jerking back and forth. See that? Looks awful, doesn't it? No, other people have had this issue, but nobody has figured out how to fix this. And I've noticed that this issue happens with it's actually happening on this aircraft too. See it's all glitchy. Look at the throttle. It's all glitchy. So, but you notice number 4, you can see my nozzle's fucked up too. Number 4 is fine. Actually, yeah, number 4 is fine. It looks like he's glitching back and forth, but it's actually me glitching back and forth. Number 4 is absolutely fine. Yeah, no issues whatsoever. So, yes, there's no issues whatsoever with number 4. And that's because the last aircraft you record is always done right and smooth, no matter what. Okay, so yeah, see it's all glitched out again. See, this is not supposed to happen. So the jets were jerking back and forth. I think I'm the only one in the world actually who's figured out how to fix this and has openly came out and said and told you guys how to fix it. I don't know if it's a guaranteed, I don't think it's a I don't know if this is a guaranteed fix, but I think it might be a workaround, because it's worked for me. And here's another thing, if it doesn't work for you, go to FS quarter.net. If this doesn't work, download this version right here, 2.17 alpha, because that would work fine. And I've noticed there's no issues with 2.17 alpha. But I've noticed this happens with every other aircraft, every other version. I'm using 2.18 alpha right here. So what you want to do, so I'm just going to do this. I'm actually going to reset the problem is that you're overwriting your files, and that causes this bug. Keep in mind, guys, I don't have the access to the source code for this bullshit, so even though I'm a developer, I can't, well, I could fix it, but if I can find a workaround, and one that works, aka this one, I'm just going to stick with this. I'm not going to bother reverse engineering that bullshit. That's just a waste of my time. So, fucking kidding me. Damn it. No, games. Okay, so whilst reloading, what the fuck? I don't know what this is. Yeah, this is my own render, so you're not gonna find this anywhere. It's my own render here. Isn't she pretty? Okay. Basically, what the issue is you are overwriting your files. You shouldn't do that. That's the problem. Okay. Not further. Loads. Oh my gosh, man. I'm so tired. I'm like half asleep right now. Okay. So I'm going to show you what not to do first. What not to do is, okay, so you can record, right? And actually, I don't need to go anywhere because the glitchiness the back and forth shit, I've noticed, you remember how this shit was flickering back and forth and it was like going haywire? That is part of the glitch. So if you see that, then the jets will jerk back and forth, even if sometimes it's hard to see. So watch. Stop recording. Test 1. No. Yeah, test 1. So save that. Now we're going to play it. You're going to see everything's fine. There's no glitchy. Right? So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to play as traffic. Test 1. I'm going to go over here and hit records. So he's fine, nothing's bad's happening. Now, I'm going to stop the recording, but what you need to do is you need to stop playback first, always. Otherwise, if you stop the recording and overwrite, which you're not supposed to do, don't overwrite, but I'm showing you what not to do. If you do end up overwriting this, and the playback's still going, you'll get an error and you'll lose everything. You lose everything. So I overwrote that, and that's not good. And also, the very last jet you fly as, or here, I'll get another one. The last jet you record, see, this is the last jet I'm going to record right here. So this jet right here is going to be the only one that's smooth and not glitchy. The rest will be glitchy. So stop recording. Test 1. See, I'm overwriting this shit, and this is not what you're supposed to do. This is the mistake people are making. Open. You can see this is fine. No glitchy, right? Watch if I go to, let's say, this one over here, number 2, and I play as him. Boom. Number 2 is glitchy. Remember, number 3 is not glitchy because he's the last jet we just recorded. We just recorded this guy, so he's not glitchy, always. He's not glitchy because he was the last jet recorded. Again, I'll play again. Oops, sorry guys. Let's play. This is the last jet. This is the jet we just recorded. Oh, no. Sorry. Go back. This one here, top one. See, number 3, this one here is not glitchy because we just recorded him, so he's not glitchy. He's not glitchy in playback, and he's not glitchy in traffic playback. So the way to tell and test is see if you have the glitches or the glitchiness in the throttles and stuff in the playback. Oops. Now watch, last one, I'm going to go to test 1 and I'm going to go to number 1. You're going to see number 1's glitchy as well. Number 2 and number 1 are both glitchy. Now, the way to get around this is to not overwrite your files. What you need to do is record once, Record your first flight, whatever you're gonna do. Wait for it to build up. Okay, so this one's fine. Now I'm going to stop the recording. What you want to do is do test 2, new file name. Now we're going to play as traffic test 2. And remember, the first jet you record is always going to be good. It's not going to be glitchy. And it doesn't matter if you have a shitty computer. A lot of people are saying, maybe it's the GPU, maybe it's your RAM. No, it's a software glitch. It's not hardware. You're fine. Don't worry. So, record. And I'm going to do this twice. Watch what I do. Oh, I'll show you what happens when you do the error thing. Stop recording. Test 2. Actually, test 1. Let's fuck up. Yeah, let's fuck up test 1. Watch. Oh, no. Test 2, actually, because we're actually using that. Error. Will we stop now? You lose everything. And this jet is now stuck in the game. So you don't want that. The only way to get rid of that is to either restart the game or reset the flight. Oops. Actually, record. Now, stop play. Actually, it doesn't matter now because you're gonna do another new file name. But just to show you, oh, it already stopped. Stop recording. Test 3. Number 3, test 3 is a separate file. Now, watch closely. Oops. If I play test 3, you're gonna notice. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna play as traffic test 3 and make another aircraft. Just to show you that it indeed works. Okay. Stop recording. Remember, you just recorded another aircraft. So you do not overwrite this. Test 4. Now watch. If I play test 4, you see no jets over here. This one we just recorded. No glitchy. No glitch. Now, let's see if... Oops. Advanced playback if you want to go for a different aircraft. I think I actually fucked this up. do number 2. Okay, he is glitchy, so I did fuck this up. Let me redo all this. Let me delete all this and start from scratch. Okay, so record. It's fine, right? So record this. Stop recording. Test 1. Now, let's say you want to add another aircraft properly. You do players traffic. This one. I'm just going to slide over here. This recorder. Record. And you can do whatever. I'm just sitting here, but you can be flying, you can do barrels, you can do whatever the fuck you want. So I'll just leave in a second. So now what you do is again, stop playback. Show this way from leave. Okay. Stop recording. Since you record another aircraft, you do test 2 and save. Now, watch carefully. Oh, Deathscythe says hey. Hold on, Death. 1 sec, mate. You're gonna notice this one's fine because we just recorded it, right? But if we go over, you know, advanced play, and we go to, you know, test 2, and we go to number, you know, the first guy, he's gonna be glitchy. This, you know, this guy was what we just recorded, so he's fine, he's smooth. This guy's gonna be glitchy. Watch. See? It's all glitchy. That's because you have 2 jets in one file. You recorded 2 jets. Basically what happened was you recorded 2 jets and saved them into one file. So what you need to do is you need to theoretically, and it works, basically what you're doing is you're getting rid of the jet that's bugged, but keeping the jet that works from each file. So, for example, the way to do this properly is advanced play. Remember, test 1 is the good guy. This guy is good. This guy is not... The jet we were just in just now was the glitchy version of this guy here. What we're in now. Watch, he's not glitchy. See how he's not glitchy at all? Except for that's normal. But you see how it's not glitchy at all? Smooth. What you're doing, basically, is you're taking both of these, you're taking the good version and playing only that. Otherwise, if you play this, see this here is the same jet as this here. So watch. Watch. If I do all this, watch what happens. I'm going to do set use aircraft. It's very hard to tell, but there's actually 2 aircraft here. Yep. See how it's a bit buggy? See how the... Oh shit. I can't exactly show you. But basically there's 2 aircraft here. Oh, perfect. Look at the pilot. You see how his textures are all glitchy? Oops. See that? That's because there's 2 pilots there. It's 2 of the same thing. So what you want to do is advanced play. You know what? First, I'll just show you the double stuff you're talking about when it's double. Basically, I'll just do something here. Boom. Go forward a little bit. There's some random name. So watch. If I record this, and I stop the playback, and I stop recording, and I do FDSA 2, and obviously make another new name, you're going to notice, if I add FDSA 2 and FDSA 1, this guy is the same exact aircraft as this guy, except this guy right here is glitchy. Watch. You're going to see 2 aircraft. Watch. Double aircraft. Because you have both checked. See? 2 aircraft. See that? How ugly that is? I'll show you again. See? See how awful that looks? What you did was you merely forgot to get rid of the buggy one. Or the duplicate. Don't get rid of this guy. Because see, if you get rid of this guy, and you go this guy, this one's the buggy one. See? See how it's all buggy? You don't want that. That's going to cause the jerking back and forth bullshit. So what you want to do, let's do FDSA 2, FDSA. Get rid of the buggy guy. And remember, the last one that you recorded is always going to be smooth. So this guy's smooth. Well, what the fuck? Okay. So I've got to be quick here. So obviously this guy's good. But watch. When I go over to this guy, get rid of the bad guy, the glitchy one, and I go over to this guy, and I set my user aircraft to him, watch. you see any glitches? No. No glitches. Whatsoever. See? No problems. Okay. Now, let's say you're tired of going in and unchecking this every time. Easy. Look what you got right here. Save as. Hello? Just saves a new name. Final product. I don't know. Just name it something like that. Now, play. Play. Final product. Oh, let me do it this way. Advanced play. Final product. Look what you got here. You got both aircraft. You have both aircraft and they are both good. Look, if I do this, you can see, no glitchy. And this works with an unlimited amount of aircraft. And I mean, if I don't get thank yous from people, because this indeed works, I'm now thinking it should work. I'm quite confident that it should work for everyone. If I don't get thank yous or some kind of feedback, I'm gonna be like shocked. But whatever. But you can see. Oh, I screwed something up. Hold on. Well, I guess what happened was I mixed them up. So this one would I set my wrong user aircraft basically, but both are good. Watch, play. This is the original guy. Look, is he glitchy? No. Look at the other one. Oh, damn it. Basically, you can hit play. Final product. Everything's going to work fine. Now, here's the cool part. Look. You can also play as traffic as bullshit. Do this. Sit over here. And I'm actually going to record. Squatter, record. Okay. Oh. I'm gonna delete this real quick. Make sure this is checked. Otherwise, you won't be recording your traffic. Okay, see I'm recording right now. And they're looping. Please don't call right now. So I'm going to go forward just a little bit. So I'm done recording now. So this is another aircraft, obviously. So play back. Stop recording. Done. Remember, new file name. Do not overwrite. No. done. Oops, sorry. Fuck done. FRC. Now, watch. I'll go through each aircraft. Oh, actually, and final product. I need that too. See, there's a lot of aircraft here, right? All this stuff. All this stuff is. Hold on. Wait. 10.3, 24.6. Okay, uncheck all these. Actually, this got really fucking confusing. Hold on. Let's just play as traffic first. So let's just do this. Wait. Who are all these guys? Basically, as this is obviously getting really complicated here, but basically, and remember with the error I got earlier, this guy's stuck here. You can't get rid of him unless you reset. Yeah, basically what you want to do is record. Long story short, and if this doesn't work for you, try this same technique on 2.17 alpha. So you got a jet here. Stop recording. Delete all this. Final test. Play as traffic. Final test. Record. Good. Final test. I don't know. So keep in mind though that this one here, if you just use this guy is buggy. Remember, this guy's buggy. See? See, we were over here. This guy's buggy. You don't want that. Remember, take this and this, because this guy has the good one. This guy's the good one. This guy right here. So, this guy's the bad one. Remember, everything below, if you do it properly, everything below, like the very top is you. Everything below that, uncheck, because they're all bad. Now watch what happens. Save as. just play it so you guys actually see that it works. This is the final one. See, this is wait, what the fuck? Okay, so this was the jet that was buggy, remember? Is it buggy? No, it's not buggy at all. Look at that. And let's test the top one. Or the guy on the right side. Oh no, that's wrong one. Boom. This guy, also no glitches. So that, my laddies, is a workaround to that annoying, awful, god awful problem that makes your videos, your flight videos, look damn ugly. Believe me, they were in the majority of my videos. Until I just figured this shit out like 4 months ago. Learned how to fix this like 4 months ago. So now I'm showing it to the world. So if any of you guys have FS Recorder and it doesn't work, remember, just follow this video and try it with 2.18 alpha, preferably 2.18 alpha, because that is the most advanced. This is the most advanced version. In fact, you, if a developer like me, you can put custom data in it. So you can record custom data, which is brilliant. But again, if it doesn't work for some, if it doesn't work for some, if it doesn't work for some weird reason on 2.18 alpha, what the hell? Go to fsrecorder.net and get this one right here. And do the same technique. Don't just throw away the technique. Do the same exact technique right here. So, the key thing to remember here is do not overwrite any file. Always make a new file for every aircraft, including the file that brings everything together. Make that a new name in itself as well. And then once you have that, you know, all the jets in that one file, and well, you're good. You can delete the crappy shit, the stuff leading up to the masterpiece, so to speak. So hope you guys enjoyed. I know it was long, but it's, everything I had to say was crucial. So please give me some feedback. Let me know in the comments whether you understand it, whether you don't. If you don't, I'll try to help you out as much as I can. Otherwise, smash the like button like a badass, leave a comment. I'll see you guys next time. Again, I think I'm the only person who's actually figured this out. And it was just by accident that I figured out. I didn't think it would actually work, but well, shit. So I bet I'm probably gonna make a lot of pilots happy here. Yeah. So I expect some feedback from you guys. Positive or negative. I prefer positive, but obviously, but I prefer some sort of feedback. So hope you guys enjoyed. I'm not really a tutorial guy, but I did my best. So Hope you guys enjoyed. Smash the like button, leave a comment. See you guys next time. I'm gonna go to Star Wars The Republic right now, so I'll see you guys in game. Farewell.